Today I'm going to introduce the PEQ function of the N3Ultra to you. In N3Ultra, the PEQ features a 10-band parameter equalizer, meaning you can adjust 10 different frequency points. You can customize the EQ based on your headphone style. Moreover, the N3Ultra can save multiple PEQ styles, allowing you to switch between different music styles effortlessly. Now let me guide you on how to use the PEQ function. First, tap the equalizer. You will see the option for EQ and PEQ. Select the PEQ. In the PEQ interface, there are 4 main parameters: the preamp, the frequency, Q, as well as the gain. Among these, the Q value determines the range of frequency affected by the filter. A higher Q value narrows down the affected frequency band, while a lower Q value widens it. We mentioned earlier that the N3Ultra offers 10 adjustable frequency points. So how do you adjust each frequency point? First, click on the band. And due to the length limitation, the home page only displays up to band 5 by default. But you can continue scrolling right to adjust the remaining bands. Set the frequency corresponding to each band according to your needs. You can drag it to adjust or click on the text to input precise number in the text box that appears. On the type, you can choose from low shelf, peaking, and high shelf. Once you have set all the above parameters, click Save at the top to save this PEQ configuration, and enjoy the rest.